Not once had there been such eyes, such a nose, such siggly wiggly, wonderful toes. In fact, I think I'll count to 3 so you can wiggle your toes for me. 1, 2, 3. You say 1, 2, 3. See that, baby? When the polar bears heard, they danced till dawn. Look, there's Sunshine dancing. See Sunshine dancing? I want to play Daddy's golf. Okay, that makes Daddy happy. From faraway places, the geese flew home. The moon stayed up until morning next day. And none of the ladybugs flew away. I wish they would. Look at the frog. See the frog?
Created a monster.
So whenever you doubt just how special you are and wonder who loves you, how much and how far, listen for geese honking high in the sky. They're singing a song to remember you by.
Sorry, Mama.
Or notice the bears asleep at the zoo. It's because they're dancing all night for you, and so we're going to shorten your story. I know, baby doll.
Keep going. Mommy, you can keep
Never
going.
before in story or rhyme, not even once upon a time, has the world ever known a you, my friend, and it never will or ever again. Heaven blew every trumpeted and played every horn on the wondrous, marvelous night you were born. Mama?
She just...
Oh, look.
It's hard to catch her attention for long enough.
Look, there's little baby feet.
It's hard to catch her attention long enough to read a whole book.
But she did pretty good. We got there.